Alright drivers, so I'm heading to Summit to pick up my exhaust that I ordered. That's the convenience of living here. There's a Summit Racing big, huge warehouse building here. So we're heading there now to pick up some exhaust for tomorrow. I gotta work tomorrow, so I won't be able to work on the exhaust till later, but I'll take the GoPro with me inside Summit and film what they got in there, see what new car they got on display. So, and I'll upload this video tonight. You'll be seeing it tonight. This is Friday. I actually fired the truck up when I got home just to see what would happen, and she lit right off like nothing, man. And then when she got warmed up, then she wouldn't start up again. So yeah, I still got that leaking fuel injector, so I'm sure that's majority of the issue. So I'm gonna swap over the other TBI on there. I just got to get a new gasket. So tomorrow we'll have lots to film, because tomorrow I'll be staying up pretty late to try to get everything done before Sunday hits. Tonight I can't stay up too late because I got to get up at 4:45 a.m. So I'm just trying to do what I can right now. I'm actually thinking about on the ECM taking the V6 ECM and the V8 one I got and take the chip out of the V8 and put it in the V6 ECM. Just because, you know, some of the gauges doesn't seem like they're working. And I think it's that ECU. I don't think it's the indicators, because most of that's all the same, or it's new. So, like oil pressure, you know, it didn't seem like it was coming up. So, voltage, it came up a little bit, but not enough. That battery's on the trickle charger, so I know it should be full 12 volts. Just because of the pin ring outs were different on that firewall connector, I am wondering if if there's a little bit pin difference on the ECM, which I wouldn't think so, but never hurts to try. So anyway, I'm almost to Summit, got about 8 miles to go. I'll film a little bit in there, see what we can stir up, and then y'all will be watching this later tonight. Keep watching. You can see here, this place is huge. Till we meet again, Summit, we'll see you again real soon. Blow the whole paycheck in there if you don't watch it. So we'll end this right here. Hopefully the wind noise ain't too loud, but as always, drivers, what do we say? Keep it simple, keep it sweet.